Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this Toyota RAV4 and we're gonna be installing the rear light and reinstalling the interior on the front passenger side doors. Stay tuned and let's see how it goes. As you can see, we will be replacing one of the burnt bulbs, so let's see if we can find one. Finally, the bulb is in. Let's install this light. Once the rear light of the car is installed, we're going to install the wind blocker which goes in the fender area. So the purpose of this plastic piece is that it does not allow wind to come into the car. Now we will install the rear wheel well molding. Let's see how this goes. Finally, the wheel well molding has been completed. Now we will install the lower door molding. Let's get this door rubber off and reinstalled on the new door. After installing the door rubber on the new door, we will install the wheel liner for the front passenger side of the car. If you enjoy watching our videos, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on our videos. And thank you for watching the video.